Okay, today's project is this tonneau cover I got for my truck. So let's open it up, see how easy or difficult it is to install. Hopefully I can do it by myself. Okay, it's a little heavy, but I think we can do it. It's getting real hot, so I'm gonna wait for this sun to go. It would be shaded here in a second, and we'll continue. Alright, it's done. Didn't take too long. It is one of the cheaper ones, and it does fit pretty good. I mean, it doesn't lock, but I don't really care. The ones that are really nice are few, like 600, 800 bucks. You know, it isn't level, I would say. Like, there's a little hump, but I think that's just the way this one's designed. It's not waterproof. I don't really care if it's waterproof. I just wanted something to make sure it was covered up. I can put tools and other stuff in the back. You know, this locks right here. They lock it. So, you know, unless somebody like really is gonna be yanking at it, I'm sure you can take this up, yank it up pretty easy, but for what I need it for,